Good afternoon. We're about to begin the census test. Now, you need to get your pencils at ready. Do not open the test booklet yet. I will tell you when. So everyone got their pencils at the ready? Jolly good. So, open your test books and begin, and may the best one of you win.